Yo, what up, guys? I was just finishing up eating, that's all. I kind of like buys if we break the previous 15 minute. Yo, what up, guys? I was just finishing up eating, that's all. Yeah, nobody showed up to Zoom today. Oh, there we go. Now we got some people. Ooh, I think it's gonna try and break that 15-minute high, or that previous 15-minute. I think I like it. Yo, what effects? Gotcha, John. Yeah, I'm waiting. I'm thinking I'm gonna take it once if it breaks the high of the previous 15-minute. As we had a break, we had a retest. We closed bearish below the zone again. Second candle. We shouldn't return back into that zone. So, and we didn't come. That last 15-minute kind of closed like it was struggling to go down. So if this goes up, that would make sense because then we're not going to break the low of the previous 4 hour, and then we'll continue. But we'll see. Because then I would anticipate us to break through here, and then continue up. Well, it's getting close. GJ and GA. Yeah, it looks like it's right at the high on MT4, so Just give it another minute or so. See if we can actually get above it. Alright, so it's above. Yeah, it's like right there. Venezuela, oh boy. Nah, there's sound, Larry. You should have sound. Alright, I'm gonna take it. Yep, yeah, I just took the buy. Hey, if you look at the 5 minute, it kind of looks like a fake out to the downside, so. Man, my spread looks awful. All right, baby, here we go. Come on. I'm gonna buy. Yeah. Damn, where is everyone in Zoom? Nobody's here with me. Making me go solo today. Come on, baby. Keep pumping. Let's go. Let's see if the 4-hour flip back bullish. Almost. So the idea was we couldn't, I mean, it still could turn around and come down, but it fit my confirmations to go up. So since we couldn't break this, everything's bullish. I'm thinking we can get a little bit of a wick fill here, but we will see. I'd like to see that 4-hour flip. Let me see what level that'll be. So 4-hour will flip bullish at 849. So pay attention to that area. So yeah, right about here is where the 4-hour will flip bullish. Well, I'm up a pip and a half on each position, so nothing crazy yet, but I am anticipating if we continue up that we're going to break through that resistance up top. And then I think you could target up here with your runner. I'm probably just going to close my runner if we continue up at like 20 pips. But we will see. Hopefully we can get up there. It would be nice. Yeah, I am solo today apparently. Nobody's here. What up, Carlos? Yeah, everyone bailed on me. Maybe the links didn't work. $144,680. Oh wow, you got it going up a long ways. Troy, you gotta turn your mic on, bro. Come on, don't make me do this alone. Cause I can't have the music going because the app just sucks. Alright, sweet. Oh yeah, if anyone does one in Zoom and you're on the stream, now is the time to shoot me the DM, and I will send out the invites. Oh, okay, yeah, and I'll pull that up after the trade. I want to make sure I'm paying attention to this. Got 102 people show up. That's not bad. I like LMFX. Everything has been really smooth.
Yo.
Yo. Holy lag.
Am I lagging?
You were for a second.
Probably just because I popped on here. How is it now?
Better. It's good. Damn, only 101? I got like 100 new followers today. I thought we'd break 200. I started a few minutes early, but. Yo, yo. Yup, yeah, we got AUD news in an hour as well. And I am in GJ buys. So, same thing as always. Once it broke the high of that 15 minute, because last 4 hours bullish, this was kind of the low here. We had a break below and a close below. I figured we should have continued down. And if we weren't going to continue down and we break above here, then we would continue up 4 hour. We'll flip right at 849. And I think if the 4 hour can flip, we're going to break through this resistance up here if we get up there. But we do got about 10 pips before we do get to that resistance up there, so we'll be able to secure something as we're coming into that area.
Did you take that off the 15, Paul?
Yes, sir. As soon as we broke the high.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a really early one today.
Yeah, I feel like the only concern would be that the 30 minute didn't break the previous 30, but I feel like you've been taking trades like that all week and they've been working really well.
Yeah, it was a big 30 minute, but it didn't get down to the 4 hour low, which is kind of my idea on us heading up, but we'll see.
Okay.
I'm kind of monitoring the 5 minute, so.
Yeah. So have you been kind of following the risk a lot this week or no? Or you just kind of been taking the trades and kind of knowing what your risk is going to be?
I mean, it automatically prints it out once I type the stop loss in. If that's what you mean.
Yeah, because remember how we were kind of like, I was doing the calculator, but I was like, you know what, dude, it's easier for me. It was taking too long for me to enter those trades. So I basically kept the same lot size all week and was throwing the same thing. And pretty much, I mean, they're all really, really similar trades with the same size stop loss, same size take profit. So I knew what I was going to be risking in my head. I just wasn't like putting it on chart every single week, if that makes sense.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Still trying to figure out if it'd be easier to trade from my desktop rather than the phone, but the phone has been working pretty well this week.
Yeah, desktop would be a lot easier.
Yeah, the only thing is I would have to get that. I think I'd have to get a remote desktop to do that, right? If I have a Mac.
Yeah, you'd have to actually buy a desktop, or you can use. Yeah, I think MT4 works on Mac.
Yeah, I'll have to look into that.
Yeah, it changed the game for me, to be honest.
Really? Okay, yeah, I'm gonna look into it starting next week.
It just makes like, if the market does something, you're like, oh shit, I gotta get out now. You can do that a lot quicker than on your phone.
Okay.
Or if it's like, oh shit, I gotta get in. This is what I wanted to see. Same thing.
Dude, it's so weird. Every time I log into TradingView, it doesn't sign me in, so everything's always blank, and then like 10 minutes it'll say sign in. I don't know if that happened to you guys too, but oh shit, I gotta get in. This is what I want to see.
Yo, your mic, come on. Or mute the stream. No, that's as loud as the Zoom chat can get, unfortunately. Yeah, nobody showed up today. That's surprising. I thought we were gonna have a really good turnout.
You mean on the Zoom?
Yeah, and on YouTube.
Yeah, it's early. It is a little bit early. I mean, you only started streaming a couple minutes ago. It's already 1:16.
Yeah, I started.
I feel like most people pop on around like 6:37 anyway.
Yeah, I started about 24 minutes ago.
I didn't mark everything up yet. I gotta mark everything up.
Yeah, if you're waiting for a 30-minute close back in the range to confirm a fake out, that makes perfect sense. I think even waiting for a close above 900 is the safest buy for sure. Um, but I mean, just gonna go with what we've been doing all week and see what happens. I'm kind of monitoring it on the 5 minute, so ooh, 129. So yeah, make sure you guys press the like button if you like what we're doing. Goes a long way. Yeah, Orgo, if you're watching the 5 minute, I think if this 5 minute breaks the high of the previous, we'll get another little push to the upside, and then the 15 minute will have flipped. So I'm just kind of monitoring on the 5 minute.
Yeah, as long as it kind of holds this little support here that it's kind of at with that longer 5 minute wick, I think it should be good. But
Yeah, I'd hope so. I don't want I wouldn't like to see it make a lower low on the 5 minute, but it is the 5 minute. It just when the 5 minutes making higher highs and higher lows, it's just even better confirmation for the higher time frames to do the same.
yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
GN's been falling pretty hard the last day or so.
Really? Wonder if NZD's really strong or something.
Yeah, GA fell a little bit today.
Got entry on 700. Yep. Yeah. No, there's a little bit of a delay on the stream. And I've tried to get rid of it, but I don't know if it's my desktop not being good enough or or what. Excuse me. Sorry.
I've noticed this week I've marked up all my zones on the 1 hour time frame,
Mm-hmm.
and I've noticed that it's been a lot like cleaner. Like the moves have been like coming down to a T and touching the areas.
Mm-hmm.
So I used to mark up on like the 30, which I mean the hour is not much of a big difference, but I feel like it has been this week.
Oh yeah. From if I use an hourly stop loss compared to a 30-minute stop loss, I feel like it's just if you're trading with the trend, I feel like you're safe.
What I'm looking at like again right now, like it's broken above the previous 1 hour even with the retrace, not with the trend at all. So I'd be more comfortable with the room to the downside, more comfortable taking a sell, but it's just not giving it to us right now. Just wait and see.
Yeah, I mean those 5 minutes, it made kind of a higher low, but it's still nothing going to the upside yet, which is what I want to see.
Oh yeah, GJ.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna mark that up right now too. Just back in line.
Yeah, it hasn't gone up at all in the first 10 minutes.
It is kind of nice to come on the charts though and not have anything on here because like normally I'd come on and I'd have everything saved from like the morning or even last night's session, but it's kind of nice to come on and just like redraw everything pretty much.
Yeah.
Kind of like start on a blank slate.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I always clear it. Sometimes I don't clear it right when I leave the chart, but I always clear it before I start to remark up for a new session. The reason for entry was that bullish 15-minute broke the high of the previous, and we didn't get below the previous 4 hour that was bullish, which is that purple line. So buys just felt good to me, I guess, and we'll see what happens. Yeah, I'd really like to see a 5 minute candle start to go bullish. We had two of them come so close. So hopefully we'll get a flip here on this 5 minute candle and start to flip the 15 minute and head up. Because it still has no top wick, which, I mean, it didn't even try to go up yet, in my opinion. Oh, might get a bullish 5 minute. Nope, there we go. Yeah, Iron Man, if you want it, just DM me. You can come hang out. Come on, little 5 minute dude. Oh, broke the high of one. Oh, came right back bearish. You. Shit. Man, thought that 5 minute was gonna do it. That's irritating. Come on. If you're gonna come in, mute your mics. Yeah, if AUD news is good, I mean, I think GA is probably gonna rock it down pretty good. But I'm not really happy with the close of this 15 minute unless it spikes up in the next second. But I do not like that. The 30 minute at least closed bullish. Yeah, closed back in there. Yeah, but this one kind of closed below. Yeah, if it pushes up, I might close one position at break even. But we'll see. We'll see how it reacts up here. I'm still watching the 5 minute. And that 15 minute didn't really have a bottom wick, so we'll see. I still see bullish, so but if it comes down and breaks the low here, then we'll be heading down for the session, unfortunately.
What's up?
Yo.
What'd I miss?
GJ being not nice.
Did you take a buy or no?
Oh yeah.
What's your entry?
790. I mean, 30 minute close bullish, so
yeah, I'm just gonna hang out tonight. I'm not taking any more trades. I had a trade this morning, so I'm done for the day.
Was it a good trade this morning?
Yeah, actually it was.
I put it in the Telegram chat. It's
Okay. Yeah, I don't know if it's a Head and Shoulders. I don't trade that stuff. Let's see if the 30-minute closed bullish on MT4. Yeah, I did. Okay.
yeah. Check the Telegram, Paul.
Okay. Oh, nice. That was a really good one.
Yeah, I'm happy with it.
20 pips, 30, 17, and 20?
Yep.
Roughly? Nice. Yeah, I mean, if it can break the previous 15-minute high, I think we'll be okay. That would be good confirmation for me. So, we'll see. Remember, 4-hour flips up here, so right at about 8:49. What up, Mosin? My entry is 790.
Yeah, as long as this 15 can stay up. Sorry, I just got back. I'm not sure what you guys talked about, but if this 15 closes without no bottom wicks on both of them, that'd be solid.
Yeah, I'd like to see it break the high of that bearish 15-minute.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. If it breaks that and it especially has no bottom wicks, that's really good.
Yeah, breaking the high would be my a good confirmation for me that will continue and that will get the wick fill and then continue up. Because even on the 5-minute, there wasn't much. Wasn't really anything in the way, so
yeah.
We'll see what happens. It's getting there. I mean,
GN pulled back pretty hard too.
Yeah, I mean, higher time frames are like 4 hours still bullish in my opinion. So yeah, Iron Man, it's a different zoom every time, bro. I'll send it to you. Oh, it's right there at MT4. Nope, yeah, it broke it. That's a more reassuring feeling.
Wow, dude, my GN compared to my MT4 is way off right now. It's always spot on. That is weird. Bro, it's like a good 4 or 5 pips off. That's strange. Yeah, if I look at my MetaTrader on my phone right now, on GN it shows that it's already completely past the wicks, and if you go to, obviously I'm on TradingView, and it's still like 4 pips away, 5 pips away.
Oh, damn.
From even passing them. What the hell?
Yes, 466,478. I did buy at the green area. So I think if we get above the bullish candle, we'll have filled the wick, and then we should continue up, and 4 hours should flip, and we'll start to maybe try and attempt that wick fill up there on the 4 hour. I don't know if we'll get the full wick fill, but I mean, Wednesday last week and the week before, we had some pretty good volume. I don't know if last week was news related, because it fell like what 40 pips in a minute or two.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
There's some AUD news at 6:30.
yep,
I'm
yes,
not trading that. I'm just saying.
yeah, no, I saw that.
Yeah, GN looks really clean to continue going down. The only thing that's kind of scaring me is NT4 and TradingView are so different.
I would trade what you see on MT4.
Yeah, that's what I was about to say.
Oh, we're gonna get the wick fill and break. Oh, we broke. Look at that. Come on, girl.
Everybody.
Yo, what up, sir? There we go, baby. I hate watching. I like hate but love when I watch the recaps and I see our trade, like kind of go our way, and I'm just like, yeah, baby, and I'm like, you're such a douchebag. Like, stop doing that.
Ain't no big deal.
Yeah, and I was like, nah, whatever. Getting close to 6, right? Yeah. Hopefully we'll get the volume to take us up then. Because it just filled the wick on the 30 minutes, so and it went higher. So it would make sense that we should continue.
Yeah, makes sense.
Yeah, it just came into some 5-minute resistance, but it did push well above it. So I'm thinking this 5-minute could just be making bottom wick or retesting, or but it made a higher low on the 5 minutes, so that's good to see. Let's see what the hourly looks like. Yeah. Don't hate yourself. Come on, 5 minute. Flip it up. 30 seconds. Did you get in GJ, Mike?
No, I didn't get in GJ. I just placed a sell stop on GN.
Oh, okay.
It's got a lot of room to go down.
Where at?
I put it at, so I don't know if you heard me a second ago. TradingView is like way off compared to my MetaTrader on my phone. So I placed it based on my phone at 02240. 'Cause my thought is if we come down there, it should be a pretty clean move for at least 10, 15 pips at least. The range is like 20 pips or so. I mean, all the way to the bottom is like 40 pips, but I'd be really happy with getting 15 out of this.
Yeah, that makes sense.
So we will see. It's following trend. It's definitely bearish all around every time frame.
Ride the trend.
All I need to do is break the bottom and we will be golden. And 4 hour kind of made the wick up to continue falling, hopefully.
A lot of people joining the Telegram for sure. You and Monty.
Oh yeah, it got wild.
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't like how this thing's pulling back like that. I don't. The 5 minute formed resistance at the same resistance area, but we'll see.
I'm just wondering what's at that level that it keeps. You know.
Yeah, I don't know either because I feel like we should be
Okay.
going up.
Yeah,
Yeah.
especially because you had that big bearish candle. You would have thought it would have just like kind of corrected that whole thing in a candle or two, right?
Huh? Oh,
You
that
see
big
that?
bearish. Yeah, I thought it would have. I thought that first bullish one was going all the way.
Yeah, that's what I figured. Or I was thinking the second one, kind of on that second entry, but where you see how it kind of came down with that second bearish and it kind of retested it almost.
Mm-hmm.
I figured that's where it would have pushed up. But this one, I mean, this would be the candle technically. I don't know why it's pulling down.
Yeah, I mean, previous 4 hours bullish, so I would anticipate us to continue,
Mm-hmm.
but it does have a really long wick, which could maybe be suspicious, but we were super bullish, so
Yeah, I'm staying out of this. I don't. I'm confused.
as long
Yeah,
as
it's kind of supposed to sell stop on GI just better weight, and it would be more confident if it actually clears.
yeah, I'd like this to close stronger bullish, not like it is. It kind of looks like shit. I don't like that it filled the wick, went above, and it pulled all the way back like that. That doesn't make any sense. Because 5 minute looked like a fake out down, and then it formed a higher low. Or you could say it was another fake out down, and now it's going back down. So, hmm. Oh, there's still 16 minutes left on this 30-minute. Oh, okay. What the fuck?
There's something going on at that level.
Yeah, I don't know what it is.
I've backed out on the 4 hour. January 24th. That's the only thing I can find.
Unless this 30-minute just wanted to make a bottom wick, and we'll see. Would suck if we were in a fake out of a fake out. That would be fucking shitty. Man. Come on. I mean, it could just be pulling back because of market open, maybe, but how far back is it going to go?
Who's saying there's JPY news? I don't see anything on JPY news.
Yeah, it could be FX Street.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
They got different news sources there?
Mm-hmm, sometimes. Yeah. Come on. What the hell?
No, you're good. It could have came down to that area, which is that support, and to bounce back up.
Yeah, I mean, I don't like that it broke the high on that 15 minute of both of those candles, and then still came back. But we'll
Yeah,
see.
it's, foreign investment in Japan stocks at 2350. 100 hours. That's way later. I'll send you the link. Check Telegram, Paul.
Check the Telegram. Wow, we had more people join. Jeez. Yeah, I'll read that later. I don't really
Hey,
care.
Paul,
Yeah.
can we do our daily 2 seconds on gold real quick?
Not right now, no.
Okay, good. You're fine.
This doesn't make any sense. I don't like it.
You can find some support right here.
Yeah, it could. I don't like how it's forming right now.
Yeah.
I'm not a fan. But hopefully, it's just pulling back as the session opens, and then we'll continue. But we'll see. I gotta go to the bathroom, but I want to be here too. See what happens. Yeah, I mean, I'll pull up gold in once we're either out or it's looking better. Yeah, 5 minutes seems to be rejecting support, but that 5 minute just broke the higher low support it made. Unless that was a fake out. We'll see.
Yeah, I just activated on GN here too.
For sales?
Yep.
Yeah. My buddy JR, he's in GA sells. So everyone's going against the pound today apparently. Yeah, if it breaks the lows, I don't like the sells though, to be honest.
What are you gonna just target 10 pips, Mike?
Yeah, I'm gonna try something different. I'm gonna close half at 10 pips. Because there's a lot of room to run. Like I'm already up. I'm already at 5 pips right now.
Yeah, you better get ready. I think it's moving.
Yeah, hell yeah, it's going on.
Well done, sir. Damn it. My bad.
Too early.
My bad. Shit. I'm sorry.
What up, Gonzo?
I'm gonna write a note. Hang on.
He said I'm gonna write a note.
I am. I'm serious.
Hello.
Yo.
What's up?
What's up? How you guys doing?
That's-
How are you?
Good, man. Good. Hope you guys all had a good week.
It was good. Hopefully this trade doesn't fuck it up.
Yeah. I'm seeing the trade you're in right now.
Yeah, it doesn't make any sense. It's messy.
Yeah, I get you. Long term, I'm actually looking at sells for GP, pound, yen, long term, but
Even with it being so bullish right now.
you know what it is because when I see this run up so much already, man. Can this really run up? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I was actually gonna take a sell before, but I kind of missed the opportunity, and I don't know what's gonna happen now. I mean, if it goes up, if it goes up, back to like around 144, 140 around that area. I think I'm gonna take a sell, man, like around that area, but I don't know what's happening right now. I'll be honest. A lot of weird things have been happening these last 2 days. Like there was a crazy run today, man. With the euro and the dollar.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah.
Especially the euro yen.
Yeah, I got involved in that, but I closed so early, man. Like I think I got like 30 pips, bro. But like this shit went up for another 50 pips, like from when I closed. Can you believe? Like.
It's usually the way it goes, huh?
Yeah, man. Like how many pips did this go up to? It went up 170 pips today, man.
GJ did?
Like.
No,
like euro yen.
Oh.
Like that's not even just what else? Everything went up, man.
USD, yeah.
Yeah, I never even look at it. Let's see.
See, the only reason I support these kind of things is because I'm always looking at like strength in it of like everything. I know it's not really the best thing to do, but like it's like it's like I use it like an indicator. Like if I see like a pair very strong, like the dollar very strong or something like that, and I see a pair that is very weak, doing very bad, then I usually kind of analyze the pairs.
Fuck, little bitch. Yeah, I don't. It's got to get below here for me to see sells.
Did you get stopped out?
Yep.
Yeah, GN's racing.
That's cool.
Racing hard as hell too, man.
Yeah, I don't like sells on GJ right now. Not yet.
Bro, I was on close.
Yeah, I don't see any trade right now with GJ personally. Like.
Buys made sense 15, 20 minutes ago.
Yeah. I saw when you go in it did kind of make sense. Yeah.
Yeah, same trade.
Quick scalp. Yeah. Made sense. Yeah. I was in a gold buy. I think someone was asking about golds. I don't know if you're in your chat or something, but I was in a gold buy. I got out. I think I secured like 3 dips and just got out like as soon as possible. that is still just in a range right now as well. Like, it's just weird. Did any of you guys catch the gold moving up like?
I don't trade gold.
Yeah.
Really, it's gonna pull up now, you little fucking slut.
I caught it.
It's good, man. Yeah, I saw it happen and I just didn't go in, man. Can you believe that? Like, I missed out, but it's cool. But I think there's going to be another very good opportunity if gold goes down. I think, if it goes down to 1,600, there's a big section, man. And if it breaks this big section, like, if it goes below 1,600, you're looking at least 100 pips, in like, I don't know, in like half an hour, 1 hour.
To the upside or downside?
Downside.
Yeah, I think I don't know. I think that's crazy.
Yeah, no, it sounds crazy, trust me, but it went to the upside in like an hour. That it did like 150 pips in like an hour.
Right, but I guess what I'm saying is, based on what? Because like we were talking about for weeks, every higher time frame is like the bullish pattern on gold right now is even stronger than it's been for the last 4 weeks.
Yeah.
So every higher time frame says push up. Every time it goes down, it pushes up. So I don't understand why selling would be. It's totally against the trend. It's like moving in front of a moving train right now.
Yeah, no, I get you. Obviously, right now there is no trade. I'll be honest, personally, I don't think there's a trade. I don't know if anyone's in a buy or sell, but I personally don't think there's a sell. But if it pushes, all the way down to 1,600 and it breaks, because there's nothing below. If you look at the charts right now, there is nothing below 1,600. Below 1,600, there is nothing. There is literally just clean candles.
1591.
No, 1,600 below 1599 that area, like.
Right, but if it breaks above 1611, clear break above 1611, where
yeah. Oh yeah, it made a new high today actually. It actually made a new high. Well, yesterday, yeah, it made a new high. It's actually on 1612 now, yeah. 16 almost.
Because the next resistance is 1785.
Yeah. No. I'm not gonna lie. This has room to push up a lot as well. Don't get me wrong. I see it from both sides, but there's a big trade coming on this. That's what I'm gonna say. Like there's a big downside trade or a big upside, but it's a scary one, man. I think people are actually gonna lose money.
I just think that the more the coronavirus takes hold in the United States, which they say it's going to, people's fear is going to drive that price up and up and up.
Yeah, no, that's true.
Yeah, I got back in GJ, just so you guys know. After that 5-minute bullish close.
Damn, dude, I'm pissed. GN's retracing hard as hell. I'm like 2 pips from stop now. I'm not gonna blame JR, but he said it was.
I'm sorry, man. Shit. I was hoping. I got a note right here, man. It says, "Don't say anything until trade close. Never again.
I was up 6 and I was about to put it to break even. I was like, you know what? It's moving pretty quick. It should just continue falling and I'll take profit. And
I'm just gonna go outside. I'm fine.
Damn, what the hell is going on with GJ, man?
It's going up. I'm telling you, I got in again. I think we're going up. I'm gonna go pee quick. Hopefully it'll rocket up through that hourly resistance.
But yeah, man, this coronavirus shit, man. It's actually...
And all I'm saying is, I'm not saying that the shorts on gold can't work, but the highest probability trades on gold right now are not shorts.
Yeah. You don't want to be sure. I'll be honest with you. It's true. It's true. Trust me. If I was short on gold, trust me, I would have probably taken a sell like right at the top in it. I would have probably be on some long term sell. Trust me, because you think that would be the top, right? But from like a seller's perspective, I guess. But yeah, no, I get what you mean, man. No, it's true.
Well, it worked out, right? If you sold it at 16.11, it worked.
Yeah.
But every time this thing drops $2 or $3, you're like, okay, it's gonna go down. Nope.
No, not all the time. It needs to drop a lot, man, more than that.
Yeah.
That's true.
I mean, I got in at 16.02. I got in at 16.05
Nice.
today.
Yeah. I saw that section actually. Where was it? 16. I saw that, man. I took a buy, but I got out kind of. I got like 15 pips, and I was like, yeah. That's it.
Yeah.
But I think that was 15 pips. How much was that? No, it was 24. Yeah, 24.
Carlos is saying, do not try gold sells. So, Carlos, please don't.
That's true. If you're for a quick scalp in, yeah, but
yeah.
Just interested in what's gonna happen around, like 1600, 15, 99 area. That could, this could be this section. Yeah, this could be dangerous section actually.
Well, right now it's kind of no man's land, right? It needs to make up its mind whether it's going to break above 16.11 or hold above 16.11, or it needs to go lower. But right now it's in the middle of no man's land to me.
It's true.
There's no reason to even worry about it until it does one or the other.
No, you're right. Yeah, I've always been bullish on gold actually. It's funny, but then I just see this run up. I mean, wow, it's been just running up so much, man. Like the last, month or two, month and a half. Yeah, I think
I got stopped on GN. Damn.
Where did GBP go? Did it go up?
This is a section we haven't reached for like so long. It's unbelievable, man. It's good to be alive right now,
Those are probably the cleanest trade I've taken all week, and this is the one that lost.
Yeah, I don't know what the fuck GJ's doing now. I mean, we had an hourly candle, but we closed below here, which, like, come on. Not what I wanted to see.
We've been talking about that 16.11 though from the very first stream that Paul had.
Really, yeah.
Yeah.
I actually, you know that time when it went up all the way to 16.11. I actually got $40 out of that, right? Like 40, like complete. Now I bought it at like 75, and I sold at 60. I sold at that area, literally. Like,
Nice.
Yeah, you know when that shit happened, right? My dad.
Yep. January 7th.
Yeah, my dad came in and he was like, yeah, Rockets just got fired. I was like, what? I couldn't find it anywhere. Like I literally went on my computer straight away. I couldn't find it anywhere on the news. Literally, I was like, there's some fake news. My dad's looking at or something. Then I see the price go up by like $2. I'm like, shit, I went in for a buy, bro. I only bought one lot though, like nothing much. You know what I'm trying to say? Like I bought one lot and then, bro, this stuff started skyrocketing. I'm like, oh shit. I go on independent. I'm seeing this. This is real, man. This is like, rockets are fine. I buy more, and then, bro, I see the price just keeps going up. I'm like, when is this gonna end? I'm literally just, I'm not even like, the price is just going up, and then I see it kind of going down, eventually start going down, and then I just like, you know, closed it over there, and then it just kind of crashed. But yeah, man, I think that was the best day of my life, man. I can't lie, like that. You know what I mean? But yeah, that was a good day, man.
Yeah, I'm still in the GJ, so we'll see how it goes.
Bro, what the fuck? How does, oh my god, I'm literally gonna be pissed if GN dumps right now. It literally, it flips in 2 seconds and now it's going right down. I don't get that.
Timing.
Yeah, that makes no sense, dude. Whoa, GN is jumping. Is there like news or something right now?
AUD in 30 minutes.
Yeah, but why is this? I don't understand why this is doing this.
Yeah, GJ just spiked up and then came back down too.
Yeah,
I thought it was about to
I'm
run.
done for the night. This is ridiculous.
I thought GJ was about to run.
It's pretty erratic.
Yeah, dude, that's what I'm saying. There had to be like, they had to put something out because every pair right now is like jumping. It's not even like being clean moves. I mean, look at GA, dude. The last 3 candles have been down, wick, up, down, up, down. Like it's what is it? That's not even normal.
I said that ain't even normal.
That's like fucking, that's 18 pips, like down, up, down, up. That's weird.
Playing with people's feelings.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, GJ's about to
Are
flip.
you selling GA?
GJ's trying to flip the floor.
I sold GN and I just got stopped out on it, and now it's coming all the way back down, and then it hit back up again. It's just like jumping like crazy.
Come on, GJ. Flip that 4 hour. Getting wild. What up, Manuel? Yeah, Johnny, I'll pull up charts once I'm out of the trade.
Wow, GN is in a massive downtrend right now.
Yeah, you see what I'm saying? There's so much clean room to the bottom.
Damn.
It's like it's jumping right now.
How much more can this go down, though?
I mean, I figured it would come down at least. I mean, even if you go to 4 hour, it's very down to like 15, 20 pips.
Oh yeah, I see what you mean.
Do you know what I mean? Like that's, I mean, it broke the low, so I got in.
From where it is right now, this could go down to 30 pips maybe. Yeah, where it is right now. Yeah. I see what you mean. I see where you got your target. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I wish I would have just taken it 8 pips, but oh well.
Yeah, this fifth.
I think this is kind of a patience game right now.
Yeah, I won this morning, and I won. I'm break even on the day again. Exact same thing.
Better than a losing day. If this trade goes south, I'll be at a losing day. So, but it doesn't make sense again. We broke the high of the previous 15 again. Like, what the fuck is going on?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I think I'm good for tonight because I've just been taking one trade a day, and it's been working out pretty well.
Mhm. Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah, I'm putting my confidence in this hourly bullish candle.
Like now, my thought is like, if I take another and I lose another, well, now I'm down 2 on the day versus I could only been down 1. Tomorrow I win 2, I'm up 1. You know?
No, you're right.
So, I mean, it kind of sucks when you first come on and then you take a loss and it's like, damn, man, like, but oh well, you get back after it tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm putting my trust in this hourly bullish candle to hold support and take the 4 hour back up with trend.
Yeah, see, this is making no sense too because GJ is like going up on this, and so is GN, but normally they're doing the opposite. So.
Oh yeah, I mean, I don't know how they correlate, to be honest. So I'm not sure on that.
Well, I mean, if you look at their charts, GJ is full bullish and GN is full bearish.
Yeah, I don't know if they actually correlate or if that's like a coincidence or what. Because I know GU and GJ move identical too, but they don't really, besides the pound, they don't really have any correlation either.
Yeah.
So it could just be the pound, but then they both should be going up or both going down.
GU is actually looking kind of like a buy soon.
Yeah, GJ, I want to see it break the hourly high. Because I think if it does that, it's going to start to pump to the upside.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The pound is kind of stable right now. I'll be honest, it's stable.
Yeah, and the yen's been pretty weak, so we'll see how it reacts. It's getting close to that hourly high, so a nice break would be. Damn, it goes all the way up, comes all the way down.
Yeah, you know the dollar broke like a big high today, right? The dollar it hasn't touched this high for like 2 years, you know.
The dollar?
3 years actually, 3 years. 3 years, yeah. Yeah, that's like that's crazy, isn't it? Like we're in crazy times right now, man. I wouldn't be surprised if this like whole month and like becomes the rest of this month becomes like kind of a hard trading one.
Yeah, it's been really good so far.
It's gonna get rough soon, I think. Especially with gold, man. Like people are gonna lose money, man, with that.
I don't know where this thing's trying to go because it's basically right at that hourly previous candle wick is basically the low of the previous 4 hours. So shit, I don't know. Oh, don't do it.
Oh my days. 2 people just died in Iran from corona. Death tolls increased again. When is this gonna die, man? When is gonna find a vaccine for this shit, man? If they don't find a vaccine, man, it doesn't matter how much money you make with gold, man, because we're all gonna die, man. I don't know how you're gonna spend that money, man. Real talk. You know what I mean?
With the coronavirus?
Yeah. This shit can go up to that, I don't know, 2K or something.
It's just an immune system thing. So as long as you're not
fat,
obese, or old,
or a child, you'll be fine.
or a child, yeah, your immune system should be
affecting other people as well, though. I don't know. Like.
Yeah, I don't know too much. I just know it's
hygiene. If you have basic hygiene, you'll be fine.
Yeah, because it's respiratory, so.
What? There was a mass shooting in Germany 2 minutes ago. I don't know if that affects anything, but
I don't know either.
like I'm kind of shit with fundamental shit, really.
Yeah.
8 dead in mass shooting in Germany 4 minutes ago. Shisha bars in Western Germany city.
Because I mean, this hourly held support right here.
People are going to be talking about this tomorrow.
But it is a pretty weak hourly close, I will say.
There's a new £20 coming. Banknote. This is cool. Yeah, man, this is. Wow.
Yeah, if you look at the 5 minute, like, it doesn't make any sense.
Someone is buying gold right now, man. Yeah, let me look at 5 minute actually.
Yeah, 5 minute on GJ, like, what the fuck happened?
Cause we could, man.
Yeah.
That's kind of suspicious, man. When I see these kind of things, I'm thinking like, whoa, is there some sort of big money just, selling it down? You know what I mean? Pushing it up and then selling it down. I don't like to see these things. I hate them.
Makes me think it's gonna go up.
This is a 5 minute though. But
Yeah, it makes me think it wants to go up.
yeah. It might actually someone might be just trying to make it look like it's a sell when it's actually really a buy.
I mean, it almost flipped the 4 hour.
I'll be patient with this one, man. I'll be honest with you, lad.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like I don't really trade Asian session that much. I don't know if it's different from anything else, but
Yeah,
sometimes like
that's a lot different.
sometimes like when I play with GJ and I think something's a sell or a buy, it doesn't work out, and then like in the morning in London session it will do buy what we do in Asian session. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, no, I
Like
mean it's
pulls
done.
back and things
It's
like
done everything I wanted to do for about 2 weeks.
that. Yeah.
Just today is just I'm not sure what's going on. If it comes back up to break even, I'm gonna get out.
Yeah.
'Cause yeah, I don't like it right now. Or even if it pushes up just a little bit, so I can take a smaller loss.
Yeah.
But
It's a smart thing to do. It's actually a smart thing to do. There's gonna be other trades today, trust me.
but I mean, the hourly held support right here, so it would make sense for the 4 hour to then continue up.
If you really think it's bullish, I would like if you get back to like I don't know break even or something, maybe try to take maybe some of your position away. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, I'll take it away and then just look for a better entry above like 900.
Yeah, something like that.
Mhm. Yeah, GJ's kind of playing right now. If it comes up, I'm gonna get out and then we'll let it play and then we'll get in when it does something a little better. I mean, 5 minutes just rocketed up, so we'll see how this 15-minute closes. The 15-minute closes bullish, I think we'll be okay. But it is bouncing all over.
Yeah. So does GJ actually move different? Would you say in
Oh yeah.
like Asian session?
Oh yeah.
Like
A little different,
it
yeah.
does, yeah.
Nothing crazy. It's just
Yeah. Does it just do the opposite sometimes, or does it? I don't
no,
know, like
no.
kind of
Sometimes there's just no break and retest. There's just a move.
Yeah,
Fuck,
yeah.
man. Yeah, no. Sometimes there's just a move, and that's all. That's it. Um, Sometimes you'll just sit in a trade, and it'll start to reverse, and then it'll just take off to the upside in the direction of the higher time frames.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, that was shit.
Alright, we'll be back tomorrow.
I think you'll get a better position, man. I think there's going to be a better position for you, Wayne.
Oh yeah, I'm not worried. It's just the fuck's it breaking highs for and coming back down. Alright, so we just broke that 4 hour low. Where is it gonna drop to? That's what I want to know. Check out the daily. Oh yeah, daily's probably gotta come retest. That makes sense.
Yeah, could it drop there? How many pips is that? Oh, that's 30 pips. Yeah, could maybe drop about 30 pips down. 28, 30 pips. Yeah.
Check out the 15. See if we can find a sell stop
Yeah,
area.
that's possible. And when this does go up, it's gonna make a wick.
Look at the daily. Yeah, daily looks like it might pull back a little bit. That was shitty. Shitty session.
Alright, man, it's always tomorrow.
Oh, I know. I'm just saying.
I know what you're saying.
Yeah, It happened to me last week, man. I know how it feels.
Yeah, last Thursday fucking sucked too.
I had 3 bad trades last week in a row, man. Like that, really, like 3 days in a row, man. That was. But then I just bounced back, man. Like, fucking, yeah. That was really annoying, man.
Watch it push up now. That'd be so disrespectful. It's still just sitting at that same area. I was trying to win them all this week. That was the goal.
He's actually trying to retrace. Holy shit.
Yeah, I was perfect till tonight. Yeah, it looks like it could just be retesting. So I think
It's gonna go down. It's just there's a lot of buyers in that before, in a 4 hour.
Mm-hmm.
So it pushes up, it always bounces.
Yeah, I'm thinking
It's
maybe
like, that's actually, sometimes I actually think
maybe a
should I
sell
actually test
stop.
out that strategy, Like when it reaches a certain section, like a 4 hour, because it always bounces back, man. Just get a couple pips quick and get out.
Yeah, I mean if the stop loss made sense. So it looks like it could be holding below here.
Yeah, this 4 hour thing could be the new support to go up, back. I don't know, man.
Yeah, it came right to it. Yeah, this could be a good little liquidity area to drive us up. We'll see how the 30-minute closes.
To be honest, when you look at it on a 4 hour, man, you just see so many green candles. I think you need like one pullback candle. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I didn't like how the 4 hour had such a long wick and a small body, but
yeah.
it was bullish, so I'm not going to look for a sell. That doesn't make any sense. Till it breaks the 4 hour low, then okay, yeah, maybe we can get some sells. But before that, I didn't see sells at all. So I'm thinking this 15-minute, depending on where it goes, maybe put a sell stop below it and then call it a night after that. Gotta see where it closes, because I'd like it to close like a weak bullish candle. That way, if it breaks the low, we should continue down pretty nicely. But if it closes bullish, then probably a buy stop above it.
If this 4 hour closes bullish, what it's doing now looks very bullish, man. I mean, bearish. If it closes bearish, if this 4 hour closes bearish, man, like, wow, this is bearish thing, man.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
This is that type of thing, type of that pattern you see. Oh my.
Yeah, I might want to come down and fill one of these wicks over here to the left.
How many pips could this go down?
Maybe drop down to like 450.
Yeah, that kind of area, yeah. We're looking at about 30 pips maybe.
Yeah, even like 480 or so. So we'll see.
Yeah, I would like to see how the candle closes. If it closes under that 4 hour support, then
I mean, that's not a support. That's just the low of the candle.
Support. Yeah, damn.
Oh yeah, shit. There it goes.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it could just run right now, to be honest.
Holy shit. Was it?
Yeah, I'm gonna wait on
that, man. Actually, like I told you, I wanted to go for a sell before it. This is like during New York session, man. I wanted.
You're gonna sell it during New York?
Literally left, man. it literally left like.
You were gonna sell it in New York, you said?
I was gonna sell it, yeah, man. Do you know why?
No.
Because I don't know, man. I kind of trade differently, but I for basically when it went up a lot like that, that was one thing. Then I looked at like things like the indices and stuff. It was like an all-time high. I was like, okay, this could actually go down. Do you know what I'm trying to say? I was waiting for it to go, up a bit more though. That's the thing. I didn't expect it to be just, kind of just go down like that. You know what I mean? It went down like a lot, but yeah, stock market reached an all-time high. This just ran up so much. I thought there was definitely going to be some retracement, man. Like, you know what I mean? Especially with people taking out money from the stock market because they just made money. And where's that money gonna go? Do you know what I'm trying to say?
Yep. Oh
Gonna
shit,
go
we
back
got.
to the yen. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Even though the pound is so strong, man, I agree. Do you know what I mean? Like, I agree with you. Do you know what I mean? But I always see things from like both perspectives. Do you know what I'm trying to say? Like, I was just trying to catch a retracement. That's why I wanted to sell it from all the way up. But yeah, I just kind of missed. I'm kind of annoyed that I missed it. I thought I was, but yeah.
GA, we got news coming out. I don't know. Maybe a buy stop, sell stop.
But to be honest, I really think we'll see it, man. We'll see it. Like, but I'll come tomorrow and we'll see what I said. If what I said is gonna be true or not,
Yeah, this candle close will be important.
I really think pound yen is just gonna fall tomorrow, man. Like, yeah.
It could, be getting close to the end of the week. Like you said, it was rallying pretty hard. So, yeah, I think maybe we'll do pendings on GA and.
Generally, the pound, man. I think the pound's gonna go up, yeah.
Oh yeah.
But it's yen strength right now. Let me look at the S&P actually. Spy's gone up. S&P. Oh my God, this has made another all-time high. Do you trade any indices or anything?
Nope.
Yeah. I never used to either, but I recently got into it because I don't know why, man, but like I don't know if you've ever looked at like the S&P 500 or something like that, 500 best companies in like America. But if you look at this chart, man, like this chart just goes up and up and up, and when it dips, it goes up again and up again and up again, and every single day this makes a new all-time high. But every time it goes down, it makes a new all-time high. Like, this is just like, if you guys look at a chart, if anyone actually looks at a chart for this, it just looks crazy, man. Like,
yeah, Domingo, it's been a really good week as well. So I'm not gonna ruin it today.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say, Paul. Don't ruin your good week that you've been having for 3 dumb trades.
Oh yeah, no. I think I'll just throw pendings on here, and if it doesn't do anything, close the pendings. That's it. I'm done.
Yeah, I'm all done for today. I'm limiting myself to that one trade. So I'm gonna pop off and get some work done.
Cool. All right, bro.
Take it easy, Mike.
Are you trading tomorrow since we haven't really been doing well on Thursdays? What are you thinking on that?
I gotta win on Thursday, bro. Gotta get a win.
I know, dude. You would have thought today was a Thursday. Fuck, dude. Maybe tomorrow will be good then.
Yeah. Yeah, today was really ugly.
Yeah, it was shitty.
Yeah, 4 hour looks bearish.
Did you see the chart that I sent in the Telegram?
I have not looked at Telegram yet. So no.
Okay.
I will though. I'll check it out right after this news.
Yeah, I threw mine in there.
Yeah, I gotta make 2 of them.
wow. NZD is still falling. Yeah, do you ever trade like economic news? Like, do you ever get into any of those trades?
No, I only will do the news on AUD and Asian session. Otherwise, I don't trade news at all.
How
Yeah.
would you trade it? Because I have literally no experience with news. Like, I'm very.
Just a buy stop and a sell stop.
Do you not get slipped though? No, anything does that not happen?
Not usually. It hasn't happened. With LMFX. So.
Or does it depend on broker you have? Yeah.
Yeah, I have a 0 account, so there's no spread. It's just commission.
Yeah, I have just commission as well, like no spread, but
I'm sure it'll slip a few.
One time.
I'm sure it'll slip.
News. I got slipped once. I don't know what happened. The news happened, I think.
Yeah, I'm sure it'll slip a lot. Yeah. Yeah, no, I'm gonna add a sell stop comedy. Just wait until it's closer. But I got the buy stop in right now. So buy stop is in. Sell stop.
It's retail sales tomorrow, isn't it? For UK.
Oh yeah, 4:30.
Yeah, 9:30 my time.
Where are you at?
I'm in London, man.
Okay.
Yeah. Sucks though, man. Like, gotta be at university though.
Oh yeah.
It's kind of long, man. What the hell? Yeah, I've got to go uni tomorrow, and I'm literally gonna rush back in for New York session. I might actually have to do New York session at my uni. That's
Yeah, I have not pressed place on the sell stop just yet. Shit.
Oh boy. Ooh. Oh wow.
what the hell just happened? My head bare pinging.
News.
Yeah.
It's AUDs, right?
Yep.
What's this? Oh my days.
Ooh, wow.
Fuck.
Yeah, my buy stop's in.
Look
Oh
at
my.
GN.
Oh my days. Your buy stop's in, yeah? Nice.
Bro, GN's running up too.
I'm looking at a pound AUD.
Wow.
Wow.
Alright,
Wow.
I closed 17.
Nice, man. Nice.
Like full risk on that ball?
Huh?
You use like a full risk?
Yeah, 2%. One position.
Okay.
Yeah, I took my sell stop off as well. So I'm back to break even for the day. So I am done. I'm done.
Nice, man. Nice.
Yep.
So it's a good day overall, isn't it?
Yep. Yeah, I won this morning and then overtraded a little bit. Overtraded a little bit tonight. If there wasn't the news, I would have definitely been just done.
It's cool. Worked out.
Yeah, it looks like it could die down now though. Looks like it grabbed some.
I was gonna
What
say
the
that.
hell is
Yeah.
Yeah. These times, when I see big jumps like that, I just wish I was in this. I was like, yeah.
Yeah, you do and you don't though, because I mean, like, yeah, if you would have caught it like Paul did, yeah, that's excellent. He got in, got out, and foul. But the people that get scared are the people that try like, oh crap, it went up, now it's got room.
Yeah. Yeah, that's the wrong thing to do, man.
Yeah.
All right, yeah. If you miss the move, you missed the move in it. You just gotta take it, man.
I think if this flips here it'll come down pretty nicely.
Yeah, pound and ZD. You was in pound and ZD, wasn't you, dude?
What's that?
Other guy.
No, he was in sales a while ago.
I was in sales.
Yeah,
I hope he's out of that. Actually, it's gone back to the original price anyway.
Is that 67 pips?
Really?
Yeah, it went up 67 pips.
On what?
Yeah, it did go up 67 pips, yeah.
GA?
On that move just now.
Yeah,
Oh.
yeah.
Yeah, I caught. Oh yeah, I got slipped. I only caught 9 pit. Or no, hold on.
People
No,
that were trading in the
I
downtrend lost money on that one.
Yeah, I caught 10 on that, but I closed at like 20. So, oh well.
What did you call that? What did you call that slippage?
Yep. I mean, it didn't even move that quick. So, I mean, I closed it at 20, and it took about 10 seconds for it to actually take the trade away. So maybe I closed 20. It didn't actually close till it retraced a little bit. But,
But sometimes to me, sometimes I close a trade, close it at 10 pips, but I get like another 2-3 pips sometimes. I don't know, it's kind of weird, it just happens. I look at the amount I got, I was like, huh? I didn't close at this. But it's never worked the opposite way, like so far, but kind of worked in a good way.
Yeah, it could continue up, but I'm not sure. GJ's looking like it's gonna come down. Maybe. I don't even know.
There's no trade right now, I don't think. This time, man, I can't believe it. It's really left me. Yeah, it's gone down 50 pips from when I was looking at it. Almost 50 pips.
On what?
GJ. I was looking at it when it was literally at the top, like.
Yeah, I think it just tapped into this liquidity area, and now it's gonna start to come up.
Yeah. That's why there's no trade right now. Yeah.
Yeah, but
it could go up actually. Yeah.
Yeah, but I mean, oh shit, we still got 6:30, 7:30. Still got an hour and a half till the 4-hour closes, so maybe it does rally up.
7-4 looks like.
Yeah. I don't trust it. This is way too ugly. I would say I won't even look for a buy stop till we're above here. Because I tried to get it in here. This one right here worked. We went up a couple pips, and then it was just like, nope. So, but I mean, with GA, maybe the pound is going to continue up. So, we'll see. I'd say oh shit. I was on the 15, it spiked bullish, and I went to the hourly, and it's like spiked bearish. Let me do that again. Oh, okay. Alright, yeah, I mean, yeah, I don't really trust this sell area. I mean, it looks like it kind of filled this little wick right here. So maybe now that it's done that, it'll want to head up, but yeah, I don't like anything till we're...
You know what could happen actually? You could see some big green candle come like soon,
Yeah, I would say even...
Because of this liquidity area you're talking about actually.
Yep.
If this could happen, man.
Yeah, GA looks like it's gonna just keep going up.
Staying out of that for now.
Yeah. If you get in a buy now, that thing could just rip down. I'd say your best bet would be a sell stop below the below the push up.
That's right.
If anything. Yeah, I've been using pendings a lot, and not pendings, but like I wait for it to break the high or the low of a candle, and then take a trade. Oh damn, GJ. See, I knew this thing wanted to fucking go up. If it breaks the high of that previous 15.
Wait for it, trust me.
Oh, I'm just talking. I'm not taking
it.
it.
If this closes bullish, if this 30-minute closes bullish, then this could be interesting. Yeah,
because
it needs to break the high though, I think.
Yeah, I mean, even like a buy stop above at like 143.827 even would, or even at like let me go out to the 30.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think
I'm looking at our 30 right now.
yeah, like 821, 822 above there would be ideal.
Were you trying to target the top of that wick on kind of the left side?
No, just like 10 pips.
10 pips, okay.
Yeah, I close at 10. And if it spikes past it and I can't close it quick enough, then I get extra.
I see what's happening. Yeah.
Oh, for AU. Oh, I don't know. The GA also went up. So maybe it wasn't good news. Who knows?
Oh wow, that candle looks big on GA. Wow.
Yeah.
This could completely change the trend, you know.
Going down or up?
I think GA could go up from now, maybe. Yeah.
Is it still pushing?
It's bad news, but it's bad news for Australian, right?
I don't know if it's good or bad. Someone in the chat said it was good, but apparently not. Apparently it was not.
It was good news, but it went up.
Yes,
I mean, it went down. The Australian dollar went down.
Yes, I don't know I don't know how it was good news, but I'm not a fundamental expert.
Yeah. I actually want to talk to someone who's a fundamental expert. Just learn.
Yeah. What up, Giono?
Yeah, there, like just trade news and that's it. Like.
No, not for me. I'm gonna stick to technicals and that's it. Adding the fundamentals is just way too much extra bullshit to worry about.
No, that's true.
At least for what I like to do, because I mean, I was doing fundamentals pretty religiously for a while.
Really? Okay.
And almost every time, I was probably doing it wrong, I'll say that, but almost every time, technicals were saying one thing, fundamentals were saying another, and it was just confusing the shit out of me, so.
You can't do both. I don't think you can mix them up. That's the thing. You can't, like. But sometimes they align, man. Like, sometimes, fundamentals. I don't know.
Yeah, they align sometimes, but when they don't align, which one do you do? Do you do the technicals or do you do fundamentals?
You stay out.
You know?
No, I get you. It's true. When I first started off, and I used to love the news, man. Literally, this is the dumbest thing I've ever done. I stopped it straight away, like as soon as I found out this was wrong. I never actually made like any losses doing this, but I don't recommend anyone do this, by the way. Like, I used to see when the news came out and I see a spike up. I used to be the guy that buys when it spikes up. Do you know what I mean? I used to place a market order as soon as I saw my chart it spiked up, and I did actually make some good profits out of it. But after after a while, I just realized, wow, this is wrong. I got it right once or twice. You know what I mean? But then, yeah, man. One time I was in like some good profits with gold, and then man, it just retraced quick. Like, I was in like £300 profit, and then it fucking went down all the way to minus £600 one time, and I was like, shit. It did it in a couple of seconds. I was like, shit. I think this is more like gambling now.
The news?
Yeah.
Yeah, 100%. Yeah, I really want to catch those buys on GJ because I'm still set on the buys. I don't think it's going down.
Could be a good trade coming.
Yeah, I think there's going to be for sure.
Audi's closing soon, isn't it? Yeah, this is interesting.
You don't want to risk that.
Oh wow, you just pushing.
I see that. Yeah, I'm thinking.
Don't. Wait.
That's my trade though. That's what I do every day. Yeah, no, that's yeah. If you go watch the recaps, we fucking smashed it and zero drawdown. This was the first time we lost it since Thursday last week.
Yeah, yeah.
So
No, if you're winning more than if you're doing good more than you're doing wrong, then
yeah,
then you're doing amazing. Do you know what I mean?
yeah. I was 5-0 before tonight. Now I'm 6-2. So
That's very good, man. Yeah.
yeah, I just yeah, it's just
I
messy.
mean, if you was gonna go 7-0, wouldn't someone be like, shouldn't you have at least had one loss? Do you know what I mean?
I was trying to go fucking flawless, but it'll
Yeah.
it'll happen eventually. I'll get a nice fluky week, lucky week where I just win,
Yeah.
go 9-0. But
That happens, man.
yeah, just gotta not let Asian session ruin the New York sessions.
You ever have any like shit weeks? Ever like
I used to have shit weeks. Now it's just kind of like,
shit day?
yeah, it'll just be like a break even day.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
because
I think kind of last week I literally had a break even week. Like it was the worst, man. It was man. Last week was just man.
I had a good week last week. It just last week Thursday made it not as good of a week.
Yeah, man. Last week, on Monday, I took a big kind of loss. Not a big loss, but like just a loss really. And then kind of the rest of the week, I just took it really easy and just kind of recovered from the loss, which kind of slowed me down. I would say for the rest of the month.
Yeah, it's always good to recover and get that back.
Yeah, it feels good when you recover. Like when you recover, you're like, yeah, I just did that. Yeah, there's a lot of buyers here in this section.
Yeah, it dipped a little lower than I expected. 5-0, 6-2. I'm not sure what the question is. Stress management, less trades, less time on the chart. Yeah, I'm not sure, Gerardo. I mean, 16 pip candle is it's nothing crazy, in my opinion. I mean, GA, most candles move minimum, like 10 to 20 pips. When there's a session going on. Unemployment went up. Okay, yeah, that makes sense.
Okay, so unemployment went up for Australian dollar. Okay, check this. Yeah, good news. if this closes bullish, would you take a trade?
I'm not sure yet.
Yeah, yeah.
No, you're good, Gerardo. I just haven't looked at that pair, so I'm not sure what it's doing.
You're back.
Night. Yo, what up, Brandon? Yeah, you didn't miss much. Some losing GJ trades. Ooh, she's moving now. Ooh, nice. Yeah, gold buys. Those would have been. I heard those were nice. Yeah, it'll close on the bottom wick because of the news. Damn, GJ. GJ's moving now. Thinking the pound should continue to go up. GA's looking like it's going to push up as well. Yep, yeah, GJ's looking good. I'm thinking a buy stop above those wicks right there will be pretty good. Yo.
Yeah, I just saw that, man. This flipped bullish, didn't it? And then what the hell's it doing?
Yeah, GA went up a little bit too.
Really? Yeah, that's weird, man.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna put a buy stop on GJ.
Yeah.
Above those wicks.
Oh, 1 hour is looking good if it closes, on the top.
Yep.
If there's no wick, then that's good.
Yeah, so I'm thinking 143.833. All right.
Nice.
We'll see.
143.833 buy limit.
Buy limit? No. Buy stop.
Buy stop.
Yeah, no, I don't. No. You're still in the buys. There you go. Or are you in GA? I don't know which one you were talking about. But yeah, I think if it gets above these wicks, it's going to pump up pretty well.
I want to stay awake for this. This is, yeah.
Because 4 hours trying to go flip again.
I want to buy some GU, but I wanted to go down a bit more. This is
I would just be careful because it's not in session right now.
Oh yeah. See, you're right.
Yeah, GA is pushing up. But we're going to focus on GJ and capitalize on the nonsense that has happened. And we got a minute. I'm gonna run to the bathroom real quick. Yep, yeah, wait for candle to close for sure. Yeah, GJ's looking bullish now. I mean, the bearish candles were all pretty weak, so 1 minute. Bullish close above. Look at that.
Wow. Wow. Gotta give it, man. That's it's good. Someone take a trade?
No, I'm trying to modify the stop loss, but it's giving me an error. And really?
Man, I want to wait for this, but at the same time, I don't know if I should. I can picture this being a big green candle, you know?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
I can actually picture that, man. This is kind of bullish stuff right now. Okay.
What bearish head and shoulder? Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't trade that stuff, so I see a bullish candle, bullish trend, so we'll see what happens. But the pending for me is right above the wicks.
If this 15 closes with like something like a hammer, hammer. Then I might take a buy actually from here. No.
So was that an hour? That was an hourly close too.
Ooh, gold is falling. Yeah, how come you never trade gold actually?
No reason. I just don't. There's no.
Yeah. Have you ever traded it before?
I did in the very, very beginning.
Yeah.
Yeah, it just wasn't. I don't know.
It's
I
not
might.
what you like. Yeah.
Yeah, no, I might go back to it in the future, but I'm comfy with what's going on right now. So.
Yeah, that's good. If you're happy with what you do, then yeah.
Mhm.
'Cause I literally like mostly just trade gold and GJ. Not really much of anything else, but sometimes I try something else. You know what I mean? I
Mhm.
see like an opportunity here and there, but yeah, I don't really like to do anything else. I want to get into oil actually. I've had only one trade in my life with oil. It went well, but I just don't know how it works, man. Like I think oil is, oh my days, what the fuck is going on right now in oil? Shit is going up, but yeah, I don't know how it works, man. How to trade it? I think it works differently. I don't know. But yeah, 'cause it went down like a crazy amount.
Yeah, where the fuck is this thing going? Like holy shit.
Which one, gold?
No, GJ. I don't even have.
GJ,
I don't even have gold on a chart.
Oh, GG. This is looking. I don't know, man. I have to wait, man.
Good thing I got.
It's looking like it's making a downtrend, bro. Do you know what I mean? I've seen this kind of pattern before. That's the thing. If you look at it on a 15-minute, when you get like one bearish candle, and actually, you know what? I'm gonna send you a chart. Then you get like this kind of thing, and then you just kind of.
Yep. See you later, Josh.
Swear that I can't draw.
Yeah, if it closes back below, it'll just continue back down. So that's why I got the pending above.
My drawing is so bad right now. This is.
I'm thinking that support should hold, but we'll see. I mean, it's kind of a big liquidity area, so I expected us to be going up a lot quicker than doing this, but some days you never know. It's looking like it's just inching its way down. Nope, no connection, Fextora. I thought someone told me something about AUD being like a Swiss franc is a safe haven, yen's a safe haven.
Yeah,
them
too.
I don't remember if AUD is anything.
AUD's nothing, man.
Yeah, I didn't think so, but I feel like someone tried telling me that.
How do I draw this? Basically, fuck it up. I'm gonna send you this.
Yeah, if it doesn't start to push up here, then and it just keeps doing this stuff it's doing, I'm just gonna call it because this has just been a mess. But if it starts to push up, I think we'll get a nice move, but it just has to start to actually go up for us to do that.
How do I send you something on Zoom?
I just posted in the chat.
Type here. Zoom group chat. Alright, and you see that? Charge sent. Basically, this is a pattern I've seen a lot of times. You know, when you get like a big move down, like a bearish candle usually.
Yep.
Then you start to get like a little grind down. Do you know what I mean?
Yep.
And then it kind of reaches like a low. You know what I mean? Like this is like a 4-hour kind of low. Then you're gonna get a big red candle down. You know, that's something I anticipate sometimes.
Yeah.
But I could be wrong. But yeah, I see this. I don't know if you've seen it before, but this kind of thing kind of happens commonly.
Yeah, we'll see. I mean, with that 30-minute closed above everything, hourly closed above, so this 15 minutes gonna have to do something.
Yeah.
It's kind of looking like it's respecting the support, but it could be winding up to drive down too, so we will see. But it just tapped into that like liquidity area, and then we got some bullish candles coming in, and then we just had an hourly open, so that could be why we got a deeper pullback. So
it's a good zone, that one. Strong zone.
Yeah, it's not going up, Giorno, not yet. Hopefully it goes up, but has not had much of an attempt yet. Looking like it's trying to close below.
Anyways, I'm gonna go to bed. We'll have to see this in the morning.
Yep. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens. I mean, I'm not gonna look at it once we're done till the morning, but Whatever it does, it does.
I'm just so interested to see what happens. Like, yeah.
Yeah, it's
I
probably
still
just
think it's
gonna.
bearish overall, overall, like.
It'll,
But we'll see tomorrow, man. Like, I'll come in, we'll have a chat about it.
yeah, yeah. You're gonna be in the Zoom.
Yeah, I'll try and come in tomorrow. It's not my session, but why not, man? I enjoy, talking to other traders. It's fun.
Yeah, yeah. I'll be there.
Yeah,
Chat
it
it
get
up.
kind of like boring. You know what I mean? When you're trading alone, it's
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah.
yeah,
100%.
yeah. Cool, man. Cool.
Yeah.
Alright.
All right, bro. I'll see you later. Yeah, I don't know, Giorno. I don't know, man. Liquidity grab looked good, so it's got to do something pretty good in the next minute or two. Otherwise, if it doesn't start to go up soon, I'm just gonna anticipate it to just keep doing this bullshit and just kind of keep gradually inching down. Yeah, I'm not a fan of the 15 minute right now or the 5 minute. Not really a fan of any of it right now. Hmm. Yeah, I think it's trying to get there, but I don't. Doesn't look like it's going to. I mean, bullish hourly closed above here and kind of right above here, but that was our most recent level, so we're above there, so we should go up to there. That would make the most sense. Yep. could start to move up now. Kind of watching the 5 minute, it's looking like it's not liking that lower area. Hey, boo. Yeah, if it closes back below that support, that could take us down. Yeah, move the buy stop up a little bit. Just in case. Where'd you go? Current buy stop is 143833. And then a pending sell below the hourly low, just in case 4 hour decides to die, because if it gets past there, it's going to drop pretty hard. But if it doesn't do anything in the next 20 or so minutes, I'm going to just take them both off, and then that'll be it. Yeah, no, this the trading panel I use, anytime I do anything, it makes a noise. Well, if they get activated, then I will assess where I want to put my stop loss. But you should be putting it where you're comfortable, not where I'm putting it. Same thing for your take profit and your entry. But, I mean, buy stops above these wicks right here. And there's a pending sell below here, just in case we end up dumping. But I feel like there's a better chance that it's going to do nothing. Let the cat take over. Yeah, no, he's always making noise. Well. Yeah, I saw that. Oh, you're talking about UJ? Yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure what UJ's doing. Oh, is GA still moving up? Would you look at that? Holy shit. Wow. Yeah, I saw that. I just looked at it on my phone. That thing is moving. I almost took a 5 minute buy entry, but just wasn't sure. And definitely would have played out if I would have held it. Holy cow. If I would have taken it. Yeah, that thing, if it breaks that hourly low, it could just dive down pretty hard. Excuse me. Yeah, if it would have went down though, comedy, your account would be empty. So, gotta look at it from both ways. Yeah, it'd be nice if GJ would do something. A lot of sideways movement tonight. Could start to bump down. Breaks that 30-minute low. It'll probably go break the hourly low as well. Oh, is it gonna dump down a little bit? Alright, let me close my buy stop. I don't think we're going up. Ooh, look at that. This 4-hour could dump. Yeah, I mean, the trades we took were exactly the same ones we took all week. So just, I mean, the way it ended up playing out, it just kind of a rangy shit session. So, I mean, not that we did anything wrong. I mean, I definitely took one too many trades, but it didn't mess anything up for me. Well, if it breaks that low, it's gonna go. Did it break it yet? Not yet. Got 25 minutes for the 4-hour close, so we'll see. Maybe it'll build up and run through and give us a little push. Or even just do anything for the session. Yeah, it's looking more and more like a sell. It's still messy in my opinion. But it does look like it's going to go down more than go up. It's just so messy. I don't know where it'll drop to. Would be my only concern. $143, $350. Yeah, I could see that and filling that wick over there to the left. I guess I can pull up UJ. Whoa. Yeah, I'll check it out. I mean, UJ looks like it can come up, yeah. But it's got this area right here, so I would be just concerned about that. Once it got above there, above here would probably be your best entry, in my opinion. Yeah, they're just both coming into messy areas. I mean, that's just my opinion, so. Yeah, once we get off here, I'll check it out. But once we get off here, I'm not gonna be looking for anything. Probably gonna end it here in a couple minutes. This thing is just not doing anything. Yeah, we'll just call it. I don't really like anything, or I don't really care what it does now, because we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, possibly 6 candles just move sideways. So I'm gonna call it before I try to do anything stupid. So I will see you guys for the last session tomorrow.